Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, on this video, let's talk about how to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Right here, I'm currently inside my Instagram application. So, the first thing you need to do is you should go on your profile. Click on this lower right icon, and you should be back here. You have two choices. You can either click on the middle plus icon or the upper right plus icon. I'm gonna go for the upper right and then select post. Once I have my post here, you need to make sure you select this one. This icon means multiple photos in one post. If I select this one right there, as you can see right here, I can now select more than one. Let me just try this one. Just go for 5, click next, and then moving forward, if I click on next here, I can now select and edit each one of them, starting from changing the color, changing the portrait or landscape option. That's going to be depending on my own choosing. Once I'm satisfied here, click on next, and basically, moving forward, I can now tag people, add location, and basically post it. And that's how you post more than 10 photos on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.